Nothing beats the fresh taste of fruit picked straight from the branch. It's like a personalized gift from nature right to you. That's why this weekend I'm here in Lankaran, which is often called Azerbaijan's fruit basket. I'm here to try some of the region's tasty local fruit and get up close and personal with its wild, untouched nature. And a little rain isn't going to stop me. Sandwiched between the Caspian Sea and the lush Talysh Mountains, Lankaran benefits from a unique subtropical microclimate. Conditions are perfect for growing an astounding variety of fruits and grains, which I get to taste at Citrus Valley Plantation, a family farm run by Raftara Shukurova.
Citrus Valley təsərrüfatı 17 ildir ki fəaliyyət göstərir. Gələn turistlərin sayı çoxdur, insanların marağı çoxdur. Onlar kənd təsərrüfatı fəaliyyəti ilə yaxından tanış olmaq, bizim ağac meyvələri necə yetişdirdiyini görmək, öz əlləri ilə meyvə dərmək, bu aktiviteləri sınamaq istəyirlər burada.
Juicy mandarins, tangy lemons, fragrant feijoa, the best of the region is concentrated here, and visitors can harvest them all. So I'm starting with the kiwi trees because those are the ripest right now. Sadly, I can't fit all these fresh fruits in my suitcase, but Raftara is going to show me how to make a unique souvenir I can take home.
Bugün də burada biz kivi mürəbbəsini hazırlayacağıq daha doğrusu. Sizlə bir yerdə. Başlayaq?
Yes. The process is simple, but requires time and care. From peeling and cutting the fruit to stewing them over the fire. I'm not as good at this as you are.
Bax, elə bu maraqlı cəhəti orasındadır ki, bizə gələn qonaqlar bizdə belə master klasslarda iştirak edə bilirlər.
Proportions are easy to remember. It's equal parts fruit and sugar with a splash of water. But some insider tips can elevate your jam, like cooking it over a wood fire to give it some extra flavor. It's tradition to eat fruit preserves with Lankaran black tea brewed in a beautiful samovar. It's delicious.
Qəşəngdir?
Mm-hmm.
Çünki sən bişirmisən onu ona görə.
Mm-hmm. I now have a one-of-a-kind Lankaran souvenir to take home with me. But I can't leave without exploring the region's famous forests. My next stop is going to be a wild one. The Lankaran and Astara districts are home to ancient forests, including the UNESCO World Heritage Site Hirkan National Park. Over generations, people have learned to coexist with this untamed nature, founding villages that to this day remain accessible only by foot or off-road vehicle. I'm joining a guide for an overland trip to one of them, called Sim Village. I feel a bit like Indiana Jones in this truck. We're about to ford a river. Sim Village was located on the ancient Silk Road. Today's residents mainly work growing vegetables, raising cattle, beekeeping, and welcoming tourists.
Turizm xidmətindən demək olar ki, turizm xidməti daha çox üstünlük təşkil edir və artıq bizim kənd insanları da bütün qazanc mənbələrini demək olar ki, gələn turistlərdən götürür. Müasir artıq turizm kəndi kimi olub.
Every season in Sim brings its own unique beauty. It's enchanting even in the rain. The leaves on the trees glisten and the rivers roar.
Kəndin gəzməli görməli yerləri çoxdur. Dörd şəlaləsi və Ballı qaya kimi məşhur yeri var. Biz bu gəzməli görməli yerlər üçün hiking yolları seçirik və həmin bu yol da Ballı qaya və Dustaqxana şəlaləsinə gedir.
Some of the sites are tucked deep into the forest, while others, like Baligaya or Honey Rock, are visible from nearly everywhere. To access the sites, there are trails for all levels, from beginners to seasoned hikers. We chose the short hike to Sheerhall Waterfall for the refreshing, misty air. The energy feels ancient here, with a simplicity that quiets the mind. I'm ending my trip at one of the guest houses in town, where I've been offered more freshly brewed tea and marmalade, that Azerbaijani hospitality. I'm once again enjoying local fruit preserves underneath this beautiful walnut tree with a gorgeous view of ancient forests all around me. The gifts of nature are abundant here, and I'm so lucky to get to enjoy them.